Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a really cool, hard to find glider kit day cab to show you. It's a 2016 Kenworth W900L with a 6NZ single turbo cat, 18 speed, full lockers. It's got 471 on the clock. I've gotten it hot this afternoon. I'm going to do a full walk around showing you oil pressure, blow by underneath the hood and underneath the frame rails. Everything that you'd want to see is if you're standing here. Let's get rolling. Great low side oil pressure, a little over 40. Super responsive, super peppy. Gets fantastic high side oil pressure as well. So great condition as far as that goes. Full gauges, leather seats. Interior's pretty clean. This is an extended cab as well, so nice and roomy for you. Small rub on the driver's seat there. Frame rails are clean. There is no blow by, very little. Really good for 470 on the miles. Body's in great shape. You got, I don't know if this will buff out or what, you got a little discoloration. Yeah, that will. That'll wipe off. That actually buffing off right there. Just be rubbing on it. No smoke, sounds good, good oil pressure, minimal blow by. On this fender here, you do have a little bit of the rock pecking through. Like I said, that should buff out on the side, but we haven't tried it yet either. Inside the frame rails. All aluminum, air slide fifth wheel. Right now, the way it came in, I'd say it needs some brakes though. Four rear tires are weak. It's got new steers. You could use those four rear air drives. Some brakes. We just got this one in today, so haven't done anything to it. Guys, I appreciate you watching. Get a lot of cool trucks in here. like the following. If you got questions or comments, feel free to let me know. You can reach me on my cell at 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.